What is going on, beautiful world? Welcome to another Studio Saturdays. I hope everyone is staying safe, healthy, and practicing social distancing during this global pandemic right now. I hope everyone is exactly healthy. All your family members are staying healthy as well. Wishing you the best in these times. But for this episode of Studio Saturdays, I'm not editing my photos. I'm doing a challenge posted by NorthBorders, an Australian photographer who posted on his Instagram that he's going to be giving out 5 raw images for people to edit, and I figured why not take a crack at them, and I'll show you guys the before and after. So we're going to jump into Photoshop now. We have the raw images loaded up already. We're going to edit them to my style and what I think is going to really make these images pop more than what he has already captured. So we're going to jump right into Photoshop now. So as you guys can see, here we have our images. So here are the 5 images we're going to be editing through, and I'm just going to run through them with my general editing style and technique. So just going to start editing through right now. Alright, so here are the before and afters. So here's the before of this image, and here's the after that I did. And that's basically it for the Studio Saturdays. I wanted to focus a lot for this car on just making the green pop out and giving it a little bit more texture in the scene rather than here. So we cropped in a bit using a 4x5 Instagram preferred just to really pull in on the car. Although we did alter the color slightly. I think the green stood out more than the lime here. So went with that color scheme. We cropped in really tightly here on the ducts to get rid of that empty void of space and lose some of that foreground uninterest. So it gives it a bit more of a scene, as well as the amber tones play into the ducts coloring as well. Here we just wanted to really make sure this fire popped out, and then I also duplicated the lights over so that the lights would lead in a bit more onto the subject. Here we did a really tight crop and also brightened up her eyes to really make them stand out, pop, be the subject of interest to complement with the dark shading. And then here I just went with that rainy scene. I wanted to cool it down and also give it that teal tone. And I wanted to give like sort of that focus of mystery here as to, you know, like you see all the hustle and bustle in the scene, but really wanted to focus more on what's going on here. Although it's not in focus, I feel like that adds an element to it. But these are the images provided by NorthBorders. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want, go check out his channel. He has this contest running where you can download his 5 raw images and edit them yourself and then just post them and hope he sees them. But other than that, I'll see you guys next Studio Saturdays for another how to get potential clients video, and we'll move on from there. Peace out, stay safe, stay healthy.